This Faceless YouTube channel is getting millions upon millions of views with extremely simple YouTube shorts, and you can see this channel is monetized and could be making over $10,000 each month. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make 100 shorts every 5 minutes or 1,000 shorts in less than an hour. I'll show you how you can use ChatGPT and Canva to do the same so you can start your own Faceless YouTube channel and begin making serious money. I am choosing to make riddles for reference, but you can choose any niche that you like and has some demand. For example, general knowledge niche, sports, quizzes, etc. Now, I want to teach ChatGPT to generate engaging and interesting riddles. Also, I will give it a style and format in a table format. To illustrate this, I'll give ChatGPT an example which you can see. Again, I remind ChatGPT to write it in a table format. So here's the result. Wow, isn't that awesome? Now, it has given us 10 riddles. You can ask it to generate as many as you require. It can generate about 10 at once, so ask it to continue till you get the desired amount of riddles. Alright, what you now want to do is copy and paste all the riddles into Google Sheets or Excel. As you can see, I have more than 100 unique riddles generated by ChatGPT. You can see that I generated almost 100 riddles in just a few seconds. That's awesome. Now, a tip is that you spend 5 minutes going through the riddles and delete the ones that are too long. So let's start making some fancy YouTube shorts with Canva. First, go to canva.com, then click on Mobile Video. On the left side, click on the Elements section here. Search for Spiral, choose the one you prefer, and set it as the background on the canvas. Next, choose Text and add heading. This one is for the title, so I'll put it at the top. Then I'll duplicate the text, and this is for the hook. I'll place it around here. Similarly, for the body, which I will place below the title, then go to Sheets, copy the title, and paste it here. Then the hook, copy and paste, and then the body. I'll reduce the size. Perfect. Now, I'll make some changes to the title. You can choose your own style and font. For the body also, I'll put a background and change the text color to make it stand out. Then for the hook, I'll change the font. Well, so far, it looks good. Now we want to add 3 options, so let's do that. To do that, go to Elements and Shapes, and choose this shape. Adjust the size, color to white, and place it below the question, and duplicate for 3 options. Next, I will add this shape, adjust the size, color, and place it here, and again, duplicate and adjust them. Next, add heading, A, place it in the circle, then for B, then C. Okay, good. Now I'll add one more box, this one for the correct answer, and change the color to green. Don't worry about where to place the elements or what fonts or colors to choose. We can do it all at the end. Next, add heading again, and we'll copy option 1 and paste, choose the font and size, and then copy and paste option 2 and option 3 and place them in the center. Duplicate again, and we'll copy and paste the answer, group them, and move the answer on top, somewhere here. Don't worry, just follow along, and you'll get to know why. Then, we'll add a timer to bring that feel of a quiz. I'll reduce the size and place it here. Now this is 10 seconds long, so I will make it 5 seconds to make it more engaging. And considering the current attention span, which is shrinking faster than ice cream on a hot summer day. Next, we'll add animations to all the elements to make it more visually engaging. So, click on the title, select Animate, and choose any effect that you like. I'll choose Fade. Then choose Animation for the hook, and then the body. Looks fine. We'll do it for all the options too. Just like this. Then we will add animation to the timer. Okay, done. And then also to the answer. Now this part is very important, so pay close attention. This is where we will arrange all the elements and choose which elements occur at which time to make sense. First, we will start with the title, click on the three dots, and select Show Timing. We want the title to stay for the whole video, so no need to change that. Next, click on the hook, and you can change it down here. If it doesn't, then click on that and choose Show Timing. We want the hook to appear just after the title and stay for just a few seconds. Done. Then, the body. I want the body to appear just after the hook, so adjust accordingly. You can move this bar to see how it appears. As you can see, the body is coming before the hook, so let's change it. Yep, now looks good. We want the question to remain till the end, so we leave the end till the end of the video. Next, we do it for the options. We want the options to appear after the question has been asked, so it's around here. Then choose all the other elements too. We just have to do this once, and for the next one, 100 or 500, it will be automated and very, very easy. Okay, nice. Then, we want the second option to appear after the first, preferably 0.5 seconds later. So let's adjust that. Make sure to select the second option, not the final answer, which is the green box. Then option 3, do it the same way. Then after this, we want the timer to start the countdown and select the timing after all the options have appeared. Here, and we end the timer bar when the countdown stops. Then the final one, the answer. We want it to open at the last, so we will adjust the timing. Then, let's adjust the position of the answer tab in the center like this. We also want the other three options to go before the answer appears, so adjust the end timing when the timer countdown ends like this, right here. So select the options and adjust it accordingly. Do it for all the three. To make it more catchy, I'll add an image. So I'll choose this one. I'll reduce the size. So let's adjust the timing of this photo too. We want the photo from the beginning to the end of the timer and start when the question starts, like this. And also add an animation. Good. Finally, I have added confetti when the answer is shown, and also sound effects from Canva. Now, let's take a look at the final result. Okay, that was good. Now, let's dive into the most interesting and fun part, creating multiple shorts rapidly. Discover how to generate 100 shorts like these within just 5 minutes. Follow these simple steps. Begin by choosing Bulk Create and opt for Enter Data manually. Clear the table, copy 10 items, don't forget to select the first row, and paste them into Canva. Press Done. Now, it's crucial to align our elements with the corresponding data in the left data bar. Click on an element, find the three dots, and select Data Connect. Choose Title. Repeat this process for the hook, body, and three options. If you can't locate the three dots, right-click on the element and choose Connect Data. Ensure all options are connected, including the answer. If you see a purple tick, you've selected it correctly. Once everything is selected, click Continue. Now, click Generate Designs and witness the magic. Voila! You now have 10 shorts in just a few seconds. While you have the option to create 100 shorts at once, I've chosen 10 to allow for diverse backgrounds and avoid repetition. Change the background for the next set of 10, proceed with bulk creation, and repeat the process to have 100 shorts ready every 5 minutes. Lovely. Now you can head over to Share and select Download. Choose your desired quality and select Download Pages as separate files, and voila, you're done. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. And of course, if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe, because there is definitely more coming up. Until next time.